Look, Abomination, I got coffee on the way to school today. I got him this one, and mine is wider. Oh well. Anyways, I'm calling him right now. He's not answering. Greg. Oh, I fell for his freaking voicemail. Exactly what that was. His freaking voicemail. Dang it. Alright, well, I'm waiting for him. It's only 8:03, so I mean, school just got in, like, let everyone in to where they can get inside the building, but class doesn't start till 8:30. I think I'm gonna sit here for a while in the heat. Cause it's cold today. It's like, I wish you could see this. It's like rainy. It's about to be all rainy. Watch. Later, the next clip is probably gonna be like me giving Greg coffee over me soaking wet from the rain. I woke up super late, guys. This morning I woke up at like, I'll just say I woke up at 7:20 and I got here at 7:40. I drove not fast, but I needed to get here in time. I don't know, I could have left at 8 and got there, but I wanted to go to Starbucks. And get coffee and probably a sandwich, but instead I went to McDonald's because the line for Starbucks was like, oh Lord, the line for Starbucks was all the way, the drive-thru was all the way around the building. It was stupid. I was like, heck no, I'm not going in there. Before I get myself trapped. I need to call Greg, man. He needs to answer. Bradley. Oh Lord. Y'all are in my steering wheel, by the way. Now you're in the dashboard area thing. Greg, I got you coffee. I don't know how I made it on time. I so badly thought that I was gonna miss school or something. My friend Jose. Oh my gosh, can't stop sneezing. My shirt's getting all wet now. You guys see my back window? It's all like look in them in this. My mirror's all like I can't see out the back window. Really? Oh shoot. I hit it off the freaking steering wheel. But yeah. I need to go inside, but I don't want to. They put way more cream in mine. It's like white. What are you looking at? Mr. Greg's work. Oh, there's a dog in there. There's a dog in the back of that truck. It's cool. So today's the 3rd day of school. And, I feel like it's like a month into school. When you get back to school, you just get reminded of like all the hard work you have to do. Like, I got honor roll last year. I don't know how, but I got honor roll. I got honor roll somehow. That's all I know. Where's Greg, man? I'm gonna lock the doors, actually. That was a bad idea to even have them locked. I mean, unlocked. I'm gonna watch. Look at you. What are you doing? You gonna poke your eye out, putting all that makeup on. Oh, shoot. Someone just shone their headlights in. She is gonna look at me. She's putting on her makeup right now. She's gonna stab her eye out, and I'm gonna laugh. I should honk. Mink. Oh, mink. Oh, Lord. I'm waiting for Greg still, and it's 8:24. Honey, you're good. Do you guys like country songs? I like some. So long right there, and these long legs are damn near hurting. I will not lie. Oh shoot, no! I screwed it up! Crap. Why do I do this? I get home, and if I stay, leave alone. Now, honey, I'm good. Okay, peace, guys.